Yes, in our previous class, we discussed on how to create a cartoon character. Now, today, I'll teach you how to animate your cartoon character. Now, to start animating your cartoon character, first step, you open a free AI animation tool. You can use image to video generators, AI lip sync tools, or character animation apps. Today I will show you one that is free and works in just a few clicks. Now let's dive into the video. Now you head over to your Google Play Store. Then you search for Grok. Search for Grok. You search for it. So this very app, Grok Smartest AI Advisor. So you are going to download and install it. Once you download and install the app, then we will now move to the next step, which is to import the cartoon character we created. Yes, you can see now we've installed the app. So now we will now import the character that we created using ChatGPT. We are going to import the character. Make sure you save the character on your device before uploading it on Grok. Now let's click it now. Let's click it now. Now this is Grok. This website or this app is owned by Elon Musk. Okay, it's owned by Elon Musk, the owner of Twitter. Okay, so now you're going to you're going to register with your Google account. So you click at continue with Google. You have email, put your email. If you have Twitter, your account, you can register. Okay, now so we choose of those email, any of your email. My brother, my sister. This is Grok AI. In this Grok AI, we have the create videos, we have the open camera, we have the voice mode, we have the analyze doc, we have the edit images, we have the customize Grok. Okay, then when you now look at here, you can ask this AI anything, and this AI will give you the answer. Okay, now but for the sake of this tutorial, I want to convert our image to what? To video. So we are going to click at this imagine. So from this imagine, now we will now upload our what? As you can see now, these are templates. Okay, so for us to be able to animate our character, that character that you created using ChatGPT, now we are going to click at this photo icon here, photo icon. So you look at this photo icon. Now this photo icon, you're going to import the image that we generate. So you import it. When you import it, so you wait, but before you do that, you have to put something like I am no sir. You can see now we've generated it. So you can see now we've animated it. So what we do here is say no sir, no sir. I am a man of integrity. No sir, I am a man of integrity. Then you now click at this generate button. Let's wait. It's generating. So this is how you can be able to animate your character for free. How you generate your image. After generating your image, you convert it to what you
No,
do.
no, sir. I am a man of
Can you
integrity.
see?
No, no, sir. I am a man of integrity. No, no, sir. I am a man of integrity. No,
Beautiful.
no, sir. I
So this
am
is
a
how you
man
can be
of
able to animate
integrity.
your
No,
character.
no, sir. I am a
So
man
once you
of
are done,
integrity. No, no, sir. I am a man of integrity.
so once you are done, you click at this download button to save your your video. So this is how you can be able to animate your character. As you can see, we've downloaded the the video. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share this video, comment.